secret of the clean and fragrant bathroom. This mixture will make your day-to-day life much easier. Let's prepare a simple but powerful mixture. Let's start our tip today by adding 200 milliliters of concentrated fabric softener to a container. Here I am using the product's own cap as a meter. Then we will add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda is a versatile ally in household cleaning due to its abrasive, deodorizing, and alkaline properties. Next we will need a lemon. We will squeeze only the juice. Lemon is another powerful natural ingredient for cleaning, thanks to its antibacterial, degreasing, and odor-neutralizing properties. If desired, add a few drops of food coloring to give the solution a pleasant color, giving it a personalized touch. Now mix everything very well until the baking soda is completely dissolved. I'm sure that using this mixture will make cleaning your bathroom much easier. To facilitate the dilution of the ingredients and yield of the product, we will also add 200 milliliters of water. Let's go back to mixing everything really well. Once it is at this point, we will have our mixture ready to use. Your bathroom will smell fresh clean whenever you use this mixture. Once ready, transfer the mixture to a bottle using a funnel for easy storage and use. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching us from to send you a special hug in the next video. Today's hug goes to Maria Soares, who watches me from Claro dos Pocos, in Minas Gerais. I'm very happy that you're enjoying our tips. After I learned how to use this trick, I also noticed that it is recommended to use a tip of this in each bathroom of your home, thus making evident the effectiveness of our mixture and also the aroma that leaves the bathroom always as clean. Now we will also use a soldering iron to make a small hole in the bottom of the bottle. We just have to be very careful with the use of this tool. If you prefer, you can even use a knife or other item. For use, we must only remove the toilet reservoir cap and then position the bottle directly in the water. When you flush the toilet, the mixture will be released gradually, helping to keep the bathroom clean and fragrant. The pleasant aroma and practicality will impress your visits. This solution is ideal for facilitating daily cleaning and avoiding unpleasant odors. In addition, in weekly cleaning, any dirt will be removed more easily, using only one brush. I'm sure your visitors will love the pleasant aroma of the bathroom and be amazed by the constant freshness. After testing, tell me how your experience was and if this tip was useful to you. I'll stop here. I hope you enjoyed today's tip. A big hug, stay with God and see you next time.